Welcome to QA Thoughts channel. In this video, let's see how to download and install Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. First open your Chrome browser, navigate to google.com. Then type Visual Studio Code and click search. QA, go ahead.
The first result it will come from code.visualstudio.com. That is where we are going to download this software. Click on the first link. The site is loaded. You can see Visual Studio Code is free. It is built on open source. It runs everywhere, which means this software runs on Mac, Windows, and Linux. Okay. Here we can see the latest version is version 1.85. This version has new features and fixes from November 2023. Okay, this is a very popular tool which is available in the market right now. This is a very light tool. It's good for coding. It has lot of features like intelligence, built-in Git, and lot of extensions are available to support our coding. Okay, currently I have Windows 64-bit OS, so I'm gonna click on download icon for the stable version here. Otherwise I can click on the just download for Windows here itself. Okay, so the download is just started. You can see like VS Code user setup x64 1.85.1. Okay, you can see the size of this setup file is 90.4 MB. I told you, right, it's a very light tool. The setup is within 100 MB only. Okay, now the setup is completed. Once it is done, click on the exe file which is just downloaded. The initial page will be license agreement. Read the license agreement once and accept the agreement. Click on next. Here the setup will install Visual Studio Code. So the Visual Studio Code will be installed in the following folder. If you want to change it, click on browse and change. I'm good with this folder, so I'm carrying on. You can see like this Visual Studio Code installation is taking only 353.5 MB in our disk space. It's nice, right? Let's click on next. So it's gonna create a shortcut in my start menu folder in this name. I'm good with that. If you don't want, select this checkbox, don't create a start menu folder. Click on next. I want to create a desktop icon to for the future use. So I'm gonna check this box also. The other boxes are registering code as an editor and adding to the path. Okay. So three checkboxes are selected here and click on next. So whatever we did in the setup summary, right? That will be given here, the destination location, start menu folder, additional task and all. Okay, now click on install. The installation is started. The installation also it is very quick. It will be completed within 5 to 6 seconds. Now it is done. It is asking to launch Visual Studio Code. As the checkbox is selected, when you click on finish, Visual Studio Code will be launched. Okay. Click on help and click on about. Okay, this is the Visual Studio Code version is installed 1.85.1. We can see other tool versions also like Chromium, Node.js and all. Okay, this is for our information in which OS and which version we are running, right? Yeah, this is the UI of Visual Studio Code. Let's see the features of Visual Studio Code in the another video. Thanks for watching.